Did you understand the value of having a robust savings account or the value of possibly sucking it up and living with your parents for a while until you go through some bullshit like this? If you can't pay it in cash, you don't need it. That's really the rule of thumb. If you can't pay it in cash, you don't need it.
Stay with me for this part because it's important. It's time for some hard data. This is the study. It's in the description. And here's the numbers. Payday loans wreaked absolute havoc on Texans from 2012 to 2021, which you'll notice included the pandemic. 1.6 billion in annual gross product lost. 1 billion in personal income gone. Picture all the economic impact you make working for a full year at your job. All the things you buy, all the activities you participate in the economy. Multiply that by 21,304. Wiped out. All because of these loans. It affects every industry too, but the hardest hit, retail trade, which includes restaurants. And get this, Black and Latino people made up 45% of the total population of Texas in 2019 when this study was conducted. They made up 71% of auto title loan customers and 74% of payday loan customers. The math ain't mathing. Sums up. This was really going to piss y'all off. These loan businesses snatched up $45 million in PPP funds during the pandemic. Then they turned around and gave us loans with APRs from 200 to 500%. Okay, I got a interesting story. It was during the pandemic when the stimulus checks went out the first round. I went to AMC the next day to watch a movie. I go to the movie by myself all the time. This was at Phipps Plaza Mall. I don't know if y'all know, but that's like the premier mall in Atlanta. They got all the high fashion boutique stores that I never shop at, Coach, Gucci, etc. And so I'm walking past these stores on my way to AMC. I forgot which movie it was, but it was bad whatever I did go see. And I bring this up because it's the one time that a line stretching around the corner from Gucci meant that people weren't going into debt. They were actually making it rain government money, which I approve of. If you're going to buy that, don't put it on the credit card. There's probably 3 people typing right now about how I hate Black people. Let's make fun of Montel Williams.
If you need extra cash for an emergency or any other reason, call Money Mutual. Money Mutual has over 100 short-term lenders who can lend up to $1,000, and they can put that money directly in your checking account in as little as 24 hours. That can give you a little cushion.
That's a bullshit. This applies to more than just Black people, but we're really easily influenced by celebrity endorsements. Apparently, all you gotta do is put Saweetie's face on the bag, and people will eat actual garbage. That's for another day, though. Moral of the story, stop listening to famous people because 9 times out of 10, they don't know what the they talking about.
Let alone the fact that it's usually just a paid promotion, right? Especially if they themselves don't have knowledge in that field of study. Bro, I'm not listening to you about financial advice. By the end of the day, no matter what any celebrity is telling you to buy or purchase, it has to be money that you are willing to lose. Money that does not affect your bottom line. That's why when it comes to all these like online courses or online products, bro, invest in all the online products you have. But you should not be pouring from an empty cup. The savings account that you have in there should not be what you're using to pay for the course, to pay for all the business expenses.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I am disgusted.
No, no, no. No, 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 no.
You have a fortress, right, of money in your account that is for your personal expenses. That's for your the roof over your head, the food that you're gonna eat, the money to pay for your gas, all that stuff. Whatever it is that if that's 1,500 per month, bro, you need at least 7,000 or 5,000 or some couple of months, a little 2 or 3 months minimum of breathing room for you to like be okay. And it should not be that should not be the money that you're using to buy the courses, that you're using to invest in whatever this XYZ celebrity is doing, or saying to promote, or saying to invest in.
That's my love language. I'm kisses down my back, starting from my neck.
It's my favorite part. Loan companies are delusional as hell when they're trying to defend themselves. Here's 2 communication spokespersons from Wells Fargo and Amegy Bank in Texas defending why they were primary investors in First Cash, a massive organization giving out pawn loans at 2,900 locations in the United States and Mexico. We are active in making loans and providing banking services to businesses that operate within the law, including local, state, and federal, and who fit within our risk appetite.